So now let's see how we can utilize the motion effect options inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So over here you can see that I have this particular my image right here, and if I were to go around under effects right here, if I were to expand this, then you can see that motion is an option right here. So this is much more for repositioning your image right here, and this can be used for animating as well. But let me just go around onto the position section itself. So you can see that this is the footage that I have right here. And over here, you can go around and change out the scale right here. You can go around and increase this and decrease this out right here, just like this. And then you can go around and tighten the value as well. So that is what you have. And then you can work around with the position as well, as you can see right here, by clicking and dragging, or by changing out, let's say, for example, the size right here. Let me just go around and expand the scale right here. You can also go around for uniform scale, or you can go around and then scale the height and width individually as well, just like this. Then after that, you can go around over here and work around with the rotation effect as well, and then scale it out right here and get the effect that you want right here. So you can go around and rotate it as you like. You can rotate it left over here and rotate it right here in 45 degrees as well, just like this. Then you got the anchor point right here. So let's just go around over here onto, let's say, for example, scale right here, just like this, and then select this out. You see this little dot right here? That is the pin where it is the reference point for the rotation. So if I were to go around and change around the anchor point, so let's just go around over here. And if I were to hold shift, then it simply moves around forward. So now you can go around and change around the anchor point, and that becomes the new reference point for the rotation right here, as you can see right here, just like this. And if there's some flicker, there's anti-filter flicker for videos as well. If you want that for photos, it does not really take effect. So this is what you have, as you can see, and this is how you can utilize the motion effect, and you can disable the motion effect or enable it, or you can go around and reset it or delete it out right here, delete out the effect, but this is disabled right here, just like this. And that is how you can work around with the motion effect options to change around the position of the image as you like inside of image or video position as you like inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.